Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. We all know exercise is good for our physical health, but did you know it's also fantastic for your brain? That's right. Exercise and the brain have a powerful connection, and working out can significantly improve your mental well-being. In fact, it's so effective that exercise is sometimes even recommended as a first-line treatment for mild depression. But why does exercise have these incredible effects on the brain? And what are some of the best exercises for improving mental wellness? Keep watching to find out. And be sure to stay tuned for more informative videos. Let's dive in. Did you know that exercise can actually make your brain physically larger? It's true. A study published in the Journal of Neurophysiology found that physically active people had larger brains than their less active counterparts. The researchers believe that this is because exercise promotes the growth of new brain cells, a process known as neurogenesis. This is particularly notable in the hippocampus, an area of the brain that is important for learning and memory. Another study published in the British Journal of Sports Medicine found that people who exercised regularly had better cognitive performance than those who were sedentary. The researchers concluded that exercise may help to improve cognitive function by increasing blood flow to the brain and promoting the growth of new brain cells. But the benefits of exercise on the brain don't stop there. Exercise has also been shown to reduce stress and anxiety, improve mood, and increase feelings of well-being. These effects are likely due to the release of endorphins, which are natural chemicals in the brain that have mood-boosting effects. Exercise can also help to reduce symptoms of depression. In fact, exercise is sometimes recommended as a first-line treatment for mild depression. One study published in the Journal of Affective Disorders found that exercise was just as effective as psychotherapy in treating mild to moderate depression. Another study found that people who exercised regularly had fewer symptoms of depression than those who were sedentary. So how does exercise benefit your brain? Exercise improves blood flow to the brain. Exercise increases the production of neurotransmitters such as serotonin and dopamine, which play a role in mood regulation and feelings of well-being. Exercise stimulates the release of endorphins, which are natural pain relievers and mood boosters. Exercise promotes the growth of new brain cells, particularly in the hippocampus, which is involved in learning and memory. Exercise helps to reduce inflammation in the brain. Inflammation is a natural process that occurs in the body in response to injury or infection. However, chronic inflammation can be harmful to the brain and has been implicated in a number of mental health disorders. Exercise can help to reduce inflammation in the brain by increasing the production of anti-inflammatory cytokines. Now that we understand how exercise benefits the brain, let's explore some of the best exercises for improving mental wellness. Aerobic exercise is any type of physical activity that raises your heart rate and increases your breathing and sweating. Some examples of aerobic exercise include running, jogging, cycling, swimming, and dancing. According to a study published in the journal Biological Psychology, aerobic exercise is effective in reducing symptoms of depression and anxiety. The researchers found that people who engaged in regular aerobic exercise had lower levels of depression and anxiety than those who were sedentary. Aerobic exercise has also been shown to improve mood and increase feelings of well-being. A study published in the Journal of Psychiatry and Neuroscience found that aerobic exercise led to an improvement in mood and a decrease in symptoms of depression in people with major depressive disorder. Strength training is another type of exercise that can benefit the brain. Strength training involves using resistance to build muscle, strength, and endurance. Examples of strength training exercises include weightlifting, resistance band training, and bodyweight exercises such as push-ups and squats. A study published in the Journal of Clinical Psychiatry found that strength training was effective in reducing symptoms of anxiety and depression. The researchers found that people who engaged in regular strength training had lower levels of anxiety and depression than those who were sedentary. Another study published in the Journal of Neurology, Neurosurgery, and Psychiatry found that strength training was effective in improving cognitive performance in older adults. The researchers concluded that strength training may help to improve cognitive function by increasing cerebral blood flow and enhancing brain connectivity. Mind-body exercises are another option for improving brain health. These exercises focus on the connection between the mind and body, and they can help you to become more aware of your thoughts, feelings, and bodily sensations without judgment. Some examples of mind-body exercises include yoga, tai chi, and qigong. A study published in the Journal of Alternative and Complementary Medicine found that yoga was effective in reducing symptoms of depression and anxiety. The researchers found that participants who practiced yoga regularly had lower levels of depression and anxiety than those who did not. Another study published in the Journal of Holistic Nursing found that Tai Chi was effective in improving mood and reducing stress in cancer patients. The researchers concluded that Tai Chi may reduce stress by promoting relaxation and reducing muscle tension. It's important to choose exercises that you enjoy and that fit into your lifestyle. If you don't like running, for example, you're probably not going to stick with it. Find activities that you can easily incorporate into your daily routine. It's also important to start slowly and gradually increase the intensity and duration of your workouts. If you're not used to exercising, start with a few minutes each day and gradually work your way up. Be sure to listen to your body and take rest days when needed. It's also important to talk to your doctor before starting any new workout routine, especially if you have any underlying health conditions. In addition to choosing the right exercises, it's also important to set realistic goals and track your progress. When you set goals, you're more likely to stay motivated and committed to your workout routine. You can track your progress by keeping a workout log or using a fitness tracker. It can also be helpful to find a workout buddy who can support and motivate you. Working out with a friend can also make it more fun, and you're more likely to stick with it. There are many different ways to improve brain health through exercise. The key is to find what works best for you and to make it a part of your lifestyle. By incorporating regular physical activity into your daily routine, you can help to improve your overall health and well-being and reduce your risk of developing mental health problems. So get moving today and give your brain the workout it deserves. Whether it's going for a run, lifting weights, or practicing yoga, there are plenty of ways to get the exercise your brain needs to stay healthy and improve your mental wellness. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and share it with others who might find it helpful too. Remember, small changes can make a big difference when it comes to your brain health. So don't underestimate the power of exercise. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.